Hey everyone, this is Sierra, your full-time personal trainer at Central Plant Club. Today I'm going to go over a full body exercise. This is called a Turkish Get-Up. You might have heard of them before, but they're pretty difficult exercises, so we're going to go over them step by step. What you're going to do is you're going to grab a mat and then a lighter dumbbell. You can work up to a heavier dumbbell or a kettlebell as you get used to the movement. So you're going to start laying flat on your back. That wrist is going to be in neutral position, directly over your shoulder. Other hand is going to go out at a 45-degree angle. The same side knee that your arm is extended is going to come upwards. From there, you're going to come up on the elbow of that one angled hand. Then you're coming up to the palm. Bringing the hips upward, you're going to bring that knee underneath. So you're on your knee, standing up straight this way, and then using that bent leg to push yourself up, coming all the way up, still staring at that dumbbell that entire time. My eyes did not move from that dumbbell. If you have any other questions, just come find me at the gym and I can go over it with you.